Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about click designs. We at DAAC Reviews channel have prepared a comprehensive review video with everything you need to know before buying click designs. I also have some really important alerts that I'll discuss throughout the video, so pay close attention to avoid mistakes when using or making a purchase on click designs. The first thing you need to know about click designs is be careful with the site you're buying it from because click designs is only sold on the official website. To assist you, I've left the link to the official site below in the video description. So, what is click designs and does it really work? The answer is yes. Click designs works and delivers excellent results for those who use it. The tool is easy to use, offering a variety of templates for logos, box images, covers, reports, digital mock-ups, product packages, icons, graphics, and much more. In 3 simple steps, select a template, add your graphics, and go live on the internet to receive views, shares, clicks, leads, and sales. Click Designs is perfect for entrepreneurs, website owners, funnel designers, social media marketing professionals, online course creators, authors, software developers, video creators, and e-commerce owners. With a community of thousands of satisfied users, this tool promises to transform your graphics and designs quickly and efficiently. So, yes, you can trust this product. Many people have had great results with click designs, and the official website contains numerous customer testimonials that you can check out as well. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying. You can actually test click designs for 30 days, and if you don't see results or if you don't like it for any other reason, they will refund your money. So, feel confident using click designs, but make sure you're buying from the official website to ensure warranty benefits. So, I decided to record this video, firstly to warn you to be careful with the site you choose to buy click designs from. Remember that the official product site is in the link in the description. If you want to receive more content like this, subscribe to this channel and give it a like. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon.